wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from Perbanas Institute Jakarta, majoring accounting. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Manudia Daristi.
And my name is Maria Tulkipia.
We will presentation about M-Banking user in digital area during pandemic, English for professional purpose, business report presentation. And now, let's get started.
First, introduction. Digitalization of banking is a digital bank service where bank customers didn't need to go bank for transaction. Digitalization of banking is considered very profitable for many parties. Because of COVID-19 pandemic, becomes an urgent tendency that can threaten the ability capacity of bank in achieving targets. This reinforces the argument that there is a change in the pattern of community activity that turns to digital media. If the bank sector cannot adjust this era, they will die. Purpose and scope of this report is to provide information about effectiveness and services of M-Banking for meet customer satisfaction during COVID-19 pandemic. In this report, we will focus on three topics often arise in digitalization of M-Banking customers, such as factor affect acceleration of digitalization technology of each bank in the pandemic period, customer using M-Banking to minimize offline transaction in pandemic times, and lack of understanding of new customers to use digitalization of M-Banking.
Assumption. The recommendation is based on the assumption that implementing effective digitization can increase the number of new customers who want to make M-Banking. By providing good service to customers, banks create safe features for customers so that customers feel awake and comfortable when transacting. Now, everyday people access M-Banking more often to transact and find it easier because banks guarantee customers' personal data so as not to leaking M-Bank abuses. Methods. Our information for this report comes from questionnaires distributed to 20 people who are customers of various banks using the sample. This questionnaire is realized using Google Form, which was implemented on December 1st, 2021. Limitation. Our study has three limitations. First, time the survey became a problem because not all M-Banking customers who want to fill the questionnaire because they do not have enough time. Second, some customers don't have good English. Third, some customers were distracted by questionnaires because questionnaires were conducted when they performed activities.
The result of data, form response chart, question title, name, age, what bank their choice, etc. Number of responses, 20 responses.
Digitalization in Indonesia has been carried out in 2020 to coincide with the first case of pandemic COVID-19. Many customers feel that M-Banking services make it possible to conduct banking transactions faster. By using digitalization, some customers find it easy.
M-Banking users took digitalization during pandemic. We can see 40% of M-Banking customers will follow socialization about digitalization that occurred during the COVID-19 pandemic, and due the lack of literacy, and the rest perhaps 38% because not all M-Banking users agree about digitalization. This can prove the banking customers actually want to follow the transformation of change in banking service, but do lack of literacy and available platforms because customers don't know about how to follow socialization of various aids. In digitalization, banking services are not fully ready, especially in the field of m-banking. Why? Because we can see in the left chart, 73% of customers agree with this statement, because there are still many doesn't know about digitalization and they are afraid of the personal data will be leaked. And if we can see the right chart, 47% customer want ministry making a socialization about digitalization and banking. Lack of understanding of new customers to use digitalization of m-banking. Indonesia has become of one of the development countries with a very rapid increase in digital industry. In recent years, including the trend using digital devices, we found many X generation do not use m-banking for several reasons. Lacking understanding of the digitalization of m-banking, making some people wasteful and personal issue about the security.
Conclusion: this result can be concluded that many customers who answer m-banking users in the digital area during the pandemic are not fully ready, because the lack of customer understanding of digitalization is still minimal during the pandemic. So the government encourages the public to literacy about digitalization because it is ready for Indonesia to do digitalization in this pandemic period. Recommendation: short-term solution in conducting surveys and direct improvements in the banking services system for digitization by providing convenience to carry out transaction needs during work from home. M-banking services provide services and appearance features that are attractive and easy to understand customers. And banking services will provide rewards for customers who often make transactions in new normal. Long-term solution is all banking services must use to safer verification measures for customers so that customers will not only use m-banking during the pandemic but will in turn use m-banking. Every lot must also hold socialization about m-banking updates so that banking service customers understand about digitalization and increase the literacy of banking service customers.
Thank you for your attention. More or less, we apologize if there any word wrong, and hope you enjoy this video and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.